that moment of terror when you realize you didn't press the mute button at work. Relate ako dito, guys, no? Kasi ganyan na ganyan talaga yung reaction ko, no? Nung nakapagsalita ako or nasabi ko yung word na hindi dapat sabihin during the call. Kasi nag-aayos kasi ako ng tools ko noon, no? So, para syempre hindi ako malito. And then, may call ako during that time. So, I accidentally close yung isang tool na pinaka-importante during that call. And then, sabi ko, shit. And then nag-react si customer, what? Is that for me? Sabi ng customer, buti na lang mabilis yung reaction ko, no? Yung excuses ko. No, no, I'm sorry, that's not for you. I actually closed one of my tools that is very important to resolve your issue. And then I just reacted out of the blue. I didn't notice that I'm not on mute. Sorry for that. And then buti na lang si customer tinanggap yung excuse ko, no? So, yun nangyari.